This is not a joke. You have 14 days. And you can absolutely look leaner, tighter, and more shredded by the end of it. But only if you're willing to commit to a different level of intensity. Let's break down the science-backed, no-nonsense strategy to get shredded in just 2 weeks. First, forget long-term sustainability. This is a short-term, aggressive cut. You're not trying to make this your new lifestyle. You're just trying to peak fast. That means discipline over comfort. For 14 days, no cheat meals. No excuses. No, just one bite. Everything matters now. You're going to be in a caloric deficit, doing high-intensity training, and focusing on muscle retention. If you're not ready to be uncomfortable, this isn't for you. Second, nutrition. Let's start with what matters most. Your diet. You can't out-train a bad diet, especially on a 2-week shred. Step 1. Cut your carbs hard. Keep carbs around 50 to 100 g per day. Use only fibrous vegetables and a small amount of clean starch like oats or sweet potato, if any. Why? Lower carbs equals lower insulin, which equals more fat mobilization. Plus, less water retention. You'll look tighter within days. Step 2. Increase your protein. 1.2 to 1.5 grams per pound of body weight. This keeps your metabolism high and your muscle protected. It also keeps you full. Because when calories drop, hunger rises. Step 3. Drop all junk food immediately. No sugar. No alcohol. No processed snacks. No sodas. Even diet ones. Step 4. Meal prep everything. Every single meal. You don't have time to guess or wing it. Sample shred day meals. Meal 1. 5 egg whites, 1 whole egg, spinach. Meal 2. Grilled chicken breast, green beans. Meal 3. Salmon and asparagus. Meal 4. Protein shake with almond milk. Meal 5. Lean ground beef, broccoli. Add black coffee, green tea, and a lot of water. At least a gallon a day. 3. Training. This is where most people fail. They either overtrain or undertrain. In a 2-week shred, you need the perfect balance. Weight training. 5 to 6 days week. Focus on compound lifts to preserve strength. Keep reps moderate, 8-12, and rest short. The goal is to create a metabolic demand while keeping tension on your muscles. Split example. Day 1. Push chest, shoulders, triceps. Day 2. Pull back, biceps. Day 3. Legs. Day 4. Push. Day 5. Pull. Day 6. Legs. Day 7. Active recovery. Keep workouts under 60 minutes. Intensity greater than duration. Cardio. Twice a day. Yes, 2 days. Fast walking or incline treadmill in the morning fasted. HIIT or Stairmaster after weights. Fasted cardio helps tap into stored fat. HIIT accelerates your metabolism for hours. Optional. Add in ab circuits 3 times a week. Not to spot reduce fat, but to increase core density and vascularity as fat drops. 4. Sleep and stress. Want to sabotage your shred? Get 4 hours of sleep and scroll your phone all night. Sleep 7 to 8 hours. Every night. Why? Cortisol, your stress hormone, spikes when sleep drops. And cortisol stores fat, especially around the waist. Use magnesium or melatonin if needed. Stretch, read, or meditate to unwind. Keep your stress low, or your body won't shred no matter how hard you train. 5. Supplements. You don't need magic pills. But a few can help. Whey protein. Meets your protein goals fast. Caffeine. Boosts energy and suppresses appetite. Green tea extract. Helps fat oxidation. Creatine. Preserves strength while dieting. Electrolytes. Especially on low-carb days. Optional. Yohimbine on fasted cardio days. L-carnitine for mobilizing fat. But again, supplements are 5% of the results. Diet and training are 95%. 6. Final notes. You will feel hungry. You will feel tired. You'll want to quit. But, by day 5, you'll already look leaner. By day 10, your abs will start popping. By day 14, you'll look in the mirror and be shocked. This isn't sustainable. This is an emergency cut. Perfect for vacations, photo shoots, or summer events. But don't live like this forever. After the 14 days, reverse out slowly. Increase carbs and calories gradually to avoid rebounding. If you're ready to shred down fast, follow this plan exactly. And if you have questions or want me to break down the meal prep, training split, or cardio timing, drop a comment below. Like the video. Subscribe for more no-nonsense fitness guides. And let's get shredded this summer.